Corn, also known as maize, is a staple food for millions worldwide and a key agricultural product. However, its ancestor, Teosinte, remains largely unknown outside academic and agricultural circles. Today we will explore the fascinating evolutionary journey from Teosinte to modern corn, examining their genetic, morphological and agricultural differences, as well as the benefits each offers. We will delve into the historical significance, current uses, and future potentials of both plants, providing a comprehensive understanding of their roles in agriculture and human society. The origin of corn Teosinte. Let's delve into the historical context. Teosinte, a wild grass native to Mexico, is the progenitor of modern corn. For thousands of years, indigenous peoples of Mesoamerica selectively bred Teosinte to produce the corn varieties we recognize today. Archaeological evidence suggests this domestication process began over 9,000 years ago, making it one of humanity's earliest agricultural endeavors. Genetic transformation. The journey from Teosinte to corn involved significant genetic changes. Modern genetic research has identified key genes responsible for the differences between these two plants. For example, the Teosinte branched 1, or TB1 gene, played a crucial role in reducing branching and increasing the size of the central stalk and ears, making corn more suitable for agriculture. Morphological differences. Let's start with Teosinte characteristics. Teosinte is markedly different from modern corn in appearance. It features multiple slender stalks with small, hard kernels encased in tough shells. These kernels are arranged in a few small ears that resemble grass seed heads more than the large, robust ears of modern corn. Now, looking at corn characteristics. In contrast, modern corn plants are characterized by a single tall stalk with one or more large ears. The kernels are soft, starchy, and packed tightly in rows, making them easy to harvest and process. The differences are not merely superficial. They reflect profound changes in the plant's biology and utility. The agricultural benefits of Teosinte are numerous. Firstly, let's talk about its genetic diversity. Teosinte remains a valuable genetic resource for modern agriculture. It possesses genetic traits that can enhance the resilience of corn crops, such as resistance to pests, diseases, and environmental stresses. By crossbreeding corn with Teosinte, scientists can introduce these beneficial traits into commercial corn varieties. Moving on to environmental benefits, Teosinte is well adapted to the wild, requiring fewer resources to grow. It can thrive in less fertile soils and with minimal water, making it a potential crop for sustainable agriculture. Its hardiness could be particularly beneficial in the face of climate change, offering a more resilient alternative to traditional crops. Now, let's explore the agricultural benefits of corn. High yield is one of the most significant advantages. Modern corn is one of the highest yielding crops, capable of producing large quantities of food per acre. This high yield is crucial for feeding a growing global population and for various industrial applications, including biofuel production and livestock feed. Another significant benefit is corn's versatility. It can be processed into a wide range of products, including cornmeal, corn syrup, ethanol, and biodegradable plastics. This versatility makes it an indispensable crop in the global economy. Let's delve into the nutritional differences and benefits between Teosinte and modern corn. Teosinte's small, hard kernels are nutrient-dense, offering a rich source of proteins, fibers, and essential minerals. Its nutritional profile is comparable to some ancient grains, making it a potential superfood in modern diets. On the other hand, modern corn is primarily composed of carbohydrates, providing a substantial energy source. While it has a lower protein content compared to Teosinte, it is still a good source of dietary fiber and essential vitamins and minerals, especially when consumed as whole grain. Exploring the cultural and economic significance, Teosinte was more than just a food source for indigenous peoples of Mesoamerica. It held cultural and spiritual significance, featuring prominently in creation myths and rituals. Understanding Teosinte's role in these cultures provides insight into its historical importance and the depth of knowledge early agriculturalists possessed. Today, corn is a cornerstone of many economies. The United States, for example, is the world's largest producer and exporter of corn, with the crop playing a vital role in both the food and energy sectors. Corn's economic impact extends beyond its direct use, influencing global trade policies and economic strategies. Now, let's discuss the challenges and future prospects. One of the challenges facing modern agriculture is the genetic erosion of corn. As commercial varieties become more uniform, they lose genetic diversity, making them more vulnerable to pests, diseases, and environmental changes. Teosinte can help counteract this erosion by providing a reservoir of genetic diversity. Integrating Teosinte's traits into modern corn varieties could lead to more sustainable agricultural practices. For example, developing corn varieties that require less water and are more resistant to pests could reduce the environmental impact of corn farming. This approach aligns with the growing emphasis on sustainability in global agriculture. Advances in genomic studies have revolutionized our understanding of teosinte and corn. Researchers are now able to identify specific genes responsible for desirable traits and use techniques like CRISPR to edit these genes in corn. Such innovations could accelerate the development of improved corn varieties. Additionally, breeding programs that focus on incorporating teosinte's beneficial traits into corn are underway. These programs aim to create hybrid varieties that combine the high yield of corn with the resilience of teosinte, potentially transforming agricultural practices and improving food security.